Hey, come on, guys. Hey, wow, it's the people's champ. Well, this is my son's favorite wrestler. Really? Hey, how about a shot? Come on.
Okay, I'll take it. Picture with The Rock.
Yes, sir.
For your son.
Yeah.
No problem.
Here's me.
Okay, you guys get in there. Ready?
Some for the people's taste.
What'd you just say? No. Doesn't matter what you just said. See, you shouldn't have said that. Rock was being a man, no problem. Picture for your son, no problem. But I can tell you what you could do with that camera. You, Chico, Razor Ramon. You take that camera and shove it up your waist. And then what you do, you give it to your big buddy. Big Daddy Cool, Diesel. You turn it sideways, and then you give it to him. Give it to Hogan. Hogan, you take that camera. It's already shined up. Turn sideways. Eat your vitamin. Say your prayers and stick it straight up all your candy asses.